In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new post inside of WordPress. This will be a step-by-step guide, and I'll show you everything you need to know about creating a new post. So here I am inside of my WordPress website. It's an example website for the video. For you to create your new post, you need to be able to access your WordPress dashboard. So go to your dashboard, whether that's from hosting or going to your domain /wp-admin. You can then log in and you should be on your dashboard. Now from here, if you go to posts, you can then go add new post, and that will go ahead and open up this block editor. Now by default, what I would do first is add your title. So let's say we're calling this post how to create a simple tutorial video. Now this is our title. You can go ahead and add your title and create whatever title to your post which is necessary. Now if you go into the top left hand corner, you're going to open up the block editor. From here you can go ahead and drag in any of these elements onto your post. Now by default, the most common ones are going to be paragraph. It's going to allow you to write out some text here. So we can then start typing to create a powerful, helpful tutorial video. Make sure to do these 5 things. So enter in your text, and then you'll notice there are basic text tools here. So if you highlight your text, you can make it bold, italic, you can link, you can also click more, and you can do some other stuff here, which is probably not going to be that necessary. And here you've got like different other text effects where you can duplicate text as well. Now I'm going to leave this normal. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to the block inserter, and let's say we wanted to insert an image. So if we scroll down to image here, you could go ahead and drag on this image, and you can decide here like where you want to put this. Say we want an image at the top of the page. So if you drag on this image block, you can then upload your own image from a URL, from your computer, or from the media library. I'm going to upload from the computer, and I'll just choose this random image. We're going to have to pretend that this image goes with the post. So once the image is uploaded, it will be in our post. Now we could go ahead and bring this image down, and you can obviously move stuff wherever it needs to be. You can also click on the image, and if you wanted to kind of like resize it, you can do that as well. So go ahead and explore these different blocks, and you can add whatever is necessary for your post. Now, something that you might want to add here is media and text. So we'll just drag this to the bottom here. Now, media and text is going to allow you to add media to the left and then text to the right, or vice versa. You can kind of customize how you want this to look here with this alignment. You can upload your photo, and then you can obviously add content here. Now, I'm not going to create any content or write anything out. I'm just explaining to you the features, and hopefully this is quick and easy to understand. Now, some other things that you might want to look at, if you click view, you can view this on tablet, you can view this on mobile, and this is going to be what it looks like on these devices. And you want to create a post which looks good on everything, because you don't know where the user is going to be viewing from. You've also got in the top right hand corner the settings. So if you click on that, you can go ahead and change the post format. But one thing that you might want to do here is add it to a category. So if you go to categories, you can add new categories, and you can add different posts to different categories. This comes in helpful if you want to list them on your website. So let's say we had a category about only iPhone tutorials. If this was an iPhone post, we could add it to that category. If not, you could create new categories. You've also then got the featured image. Now the featured image is what's going to be shown here on the homepage. So if you've got your posts on the homepage, you can click on featured image and you can add a featured image. So let me add this one of this guy working. So that's added the featured image, and just going down here, you'll have a bunch of different settings. If you've got some plugins installed as well, it's going to add those as well down here. We're just going to go ahead and publish this for now though. So once you're happy with your post, you can either preview it by clicking the 3 dots, and then you can go ahead and preview it. So to preview, go to the view, go to preview in new tab. If you're ready to publish it though, you can click publish. You can also click save draft. Let's just go ahead and publish this right now. So then we can view the post, and you can see here is our post. It's all published, and yet people can comment on it. Now this is going to depend on what theme and what kind of website you've got set up. Now, if we go to the homepage, you can see the featured image that we used is actually displayed here as well. Now, for any point we wanted to delete this post, or we just wanted to edit it, we could go back to our dashboard. We could go to posts, all posts, and here are all of the posts. Here we can change the category, we can edit it, and if we wanted to delete it, we could check it. then we could go bulk actions and click here, move to trash, and then click trash. And there you go, we've moved that to trash. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video was somewhat helpful.